What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. This is the Garage Couple. My name is Greg. I drive the Jeep TJ, and today I want to talk to you guys about these amazing sliding windows that I received as a gift from my wife, Auline. Now, Auline is also part of the channel. She drives the modified Jeep Wrangler JK and likes to talk about review videos, installs, and just generally mods. Now, the purpose of our channel is to show you how easy it is to modify your Jeep Wrangler at home for a very low price, and also together as a family, an event, just to enjoy yourselves. So if that sounds cool to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel, check out some of our videos, and stay tuned to see these sliding windows. So for Christmas this year, Auline wanted to be extra nice to me, and she got me these sliding windows for the Jeep Wrangler TJ. Before I got these windows, I had the plastic windows on both sides for the half door, and I was ready for an upgrade, to say the least. Now, the reason why this upgrade is pretty cool is because the stock windows, even though mine were only a couple years old, they tend to go bad, they tend to get foggy, and they're very difficult to see out of. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like, here is the stock window that comes with the half doors. These are actually replacements from Bestop, and they've lasted about 3-4 years. I mean, to open the window, you have to use the zipper. Unzip, there's 2 zippers total. You can unzip, as many of the TJ owners know. And quite frankly, this is difficult at drive-thrus, at places to get parking tickets, and anything like that. Another issue with the half windows is that whenever you try to drive for long distances, like I just drove to Arizona, it took me 9 hours total, they're very loud. The zippers are very loud, the windows are very loud. It's just a less desirable situation to be in. So the beauty of these windows is that it's made from this wax material. You have 2 sliders. You have this rear slider and you have this front slider. And the install couldn't be any easier. I guess I can speak through this. All you have to do is just drop it in place, just like so. It is about twice as heavy as the other one, but still, it's not difficult to lift. And you just drop it into place, just like so. 3 little tabs like that, and it's in place. Now, what I've noticed is actually this one seals just a little bit better. When you look at it from the side, you notice that it's bowed, which means that as you close the door, it tucks and makes a great seal. Certainly, like every mod, there are a couple issues here. Firstly, the color didn't exactly line up to my spice. The color of the new window does not match the old color of the top. This is by Smittybuilt and this is by Bestop, so their spices didn't exactly quite align. Still pretty happy with my top, my windows. They're all pretty relatively new. I don't want to change them out, but if you look, you can definitely notice a difference in color. So that's something you should keep in mind when you go with these spice tops, if you have a different company's the rest of your top. The next thing I want to talk about is the sliding mechanism. As you can see, the way they unlock is you clip over here and you just slide, just like that. This is the entire mechanism. I can get it from this angle as well, just like that. Now, there's a couple issues with this, and I would like to talk about it. Not everything is good and jolly. Although I love these windows, this is very flawed in my opinion. It is a small little tab that holds the window in place. Now, that seems cool, right? It's easy to open, but there is a downside to that, and that is this. These are really expensive in my opinion. Most of our cheap mods are very affordable, DIY friendly mods. This is DIY friendly, takes a couple minutes, but this one, it's quite expensive. I believe over $600 for these uppers. Now, this is the issue. We're outside, it's locked. You saw me lock it. Let me just show you that it's completely closed. Let me just close it. That is completely closed. Check this out. Boom, opens right up from the outside. No force necessary. I mean, of course it's gonna open. It's a tiny little hook onto that, and so it's very easy to open, and it's not just one side. I can show you that it's both sides that do this. So let's see here. All right, I guess, sorry. There. So that side did it as well. Both front and rear do it. So if you think with this product, with these sliding windows, you're getting added security, you're not. I actually think it's more difficult to break in with this. You would need to grab a knife or some device and slice a hole through this and then go ahead and open the grab handle. And then this is basically destroyed. But with that, you can go ahead and just slide it open from the outside, unlock the doors, and take both of them, and there you go. You just made a solid $500 profit as a thief. Now, why would I share this information now that I myself have these windows? I just want to bring it to your awareness because many people rely on reviews like this prior to buying expensive items, and I just hope to shed some light onto the topic. How long has that been stuck over there? If you've enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed this honest review of this product that we paid our good cold hard of money, earned money for, please consider subscribing to our channel. We do lots of reviews like this. We show step-by-step install videos from stuff that are more simple, like a storage tray for the front of the Jeep Wrangler. I'll put the link there. And also things that are a little more difficult, like a DV8 tire carrier that requires all this drilling into the body. Again, I'll put that link over there. You should definitely check some of these videos out before you're gonna buy a product like this. And we also like to do giveaways. We gave a set of LED headlights away to a lucky viewer. We're gonna do so again in just a couple weeks here. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and you stay tuned for more awesome content. Thank you for the support and have a great day.